All right, today we're going to show you how to take a tag handle out. It's the two-man job, and you're going to need washers, and basically what you're going to need is the kit we're going to send to you. We'll send you the handle, the rivets, and everything necessary for you to change it out yourself. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to take these machine rivets out, which was shown on a different video if you want to look at that. And then you're going to go back and you're going to take these rivets out and these rivets out here. So Adam will do that now, and then we'll move on to the next part of it. You'll want to wear safety glasses during this process. It's a lot of shrapnel and stuff flying around. Okay, he's got the rivets out of there, so now you just pull this old handle out of there. Take that on out of there, grab the new one. You want to shake this case, get some of the stuff out of here, otherwise you're going to have stuff rattling around in there and you're going to hear it the rest of your life of your case. So, okay, now you're going to reinstall the new handle that we send to you. This will all be put together for you, and we'll send it to you, and plus with the rivets and the washers and everything you'll need. Just slide it in there. Get these little black part of the handle to match up. They'll have to be sticking out a little bit. And then one person's going to hold it, and another person's going to start the drilling. I'm going to go ahead and pop these two rivets here to help stabilize it. Sometimes you got to ream the hole out a little bit if it doesn't want to go. But don't ream it out too much or the rivet will pop right through. Okay. Hook up the air supply. And again, if you don't have air supply or your own equipment, we can send you a rivet gun that will do the job. Sometimes those rivets break off in there. You can just take a pair of pliers or something and wiggle it and get it out of there. Okay, now we're going to drill these back holes, and for that you want to pull this handle all the way out, and you want to get some pressure so the handle itself is popping up, so you get some good pressure on it. All right, now we're going to add these two back rivets with pressure on the handle down. Okay, now we'll go back and put AVEX rivets in these holes here. You can put the handle all the way in now. And you could add extra holes if you think it's not going to hold good enough, because your case is old and it might be beat up a little bit. So this might be a little harder than it looks to get in with your damaged case. So he's going to go ahead and put those AVEX rivets in there, and that'll do it, and you've got a new tag handle in your Wilson case. So. And there you have it. We'll get these off of there with a pair of pliers, and your handle is installed. Okay, to summarize, you're going to take this old one out. You got to drill those rivets out. These are 1/4 inch drill bit for these. 3/16 or a number 11 for these. You're going to take the old one out. You're going to take the case. You're going to get all the debris out of there with air or just shaking it, however you want to do it. You're going to put the new one in with the handle out. You're going to put these 2 rivets in first. You're going to put pressure on this so you can get a good grip on these. And then you're going to go back and put the rest of these pop rivets in. And that should do it for you.